Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. In today's drawing, I would like to draw a commission for Seriously Persona, and I would like to give a big shout out to Seriously Persona for giving me this opportunity to draw for him as a commission. And finally, I'm brave enough to draw freehand without any reference after doing a lot of practice. So here goes the drawing. So let's watch this one together guys, let's go. Okay guys, so that's the drawing. So what do you guys think? Feel free to leave any kind of comment, suggestion in the comment section below. And also if you guys are new to the channel, please do subscribe. So please don't forget to like the video. Thank you so much and see you guys next one.